All right, let's talk about a super sneaky threat hiding inside today's AI.
So, what if your AI aces every exam, but it's hiding a dark secret?
Yep, it's called a sleeper agent. It's not broken, it's built to betray.
And get this, the malware isn't in the code. It's woven into the AI's actual thinking.
How? Through stealth poisoning. It's like slowly feeding an AI bad info to corrupt it.
So how do hackers sneak this poison past even the sharpest experts? It's pretty wild.
They use something called clean label attacks. The bad data looks totally normal, even correctly labeled.
Okay, so you'd think you need tons of this poison to infect a giant AI, right?
Wrong. Research shows it can take as few as 250 bad files. Just 250.
And here's the crazy part. The size of the AI doesn't matter. The threat is just as real. So what you have is a ticking time bomb, just waiting for the right trigger to go off. And that's why it's a long game. The damage can go completely unnoticed for years.
Think about healthcare. A poisoned AI might ignore tumors in some people, causing real-world harm.
So if we can't even see the poison, how in the world do we stop it? The answer is something called data provenance. Basically, you track where every single piece of data comes from. So as AI pretty much runs our world, are we actually watching what we're teaching it? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.